During the respiration, everybody will intake the air. Air contains various gases, out of which oxygen alone is filtered out and passed to the various parts of the body, by the lungs and heart. And in this process, carbon dioxide and other unwanted gases can be exhaled out. If at all we intake carbon monoxide accidentally, the hemoglobin that is present in the blood can take up that and form carboxyhemoglobin readily. So, due to this, since carbon monoxide occupied the hemoglobin completely, oxygen has no space to attach with the hemoglobin, and this leads to the reduction of hemoglobin capacity to carry the oxygen, and hence that leads to the respiratory disorders, respiratory problems. And hence if it intake carbon monoxide in large amount, it may lead to death also. So carbon monoxide is dangerous.